students, in the previous class we have discussed about the different types of materials. Okay, the properties of the materials and the states of the materials. Okay, the first one we discussed about the properties of the materials like transparent, translucent and opaque. In the next we have discussed about the states of matter like solid, liquid and gases. In this class we are going to discuss about what is meant by matter. Okay, what is meant by matter? What is meant by matter? Okay, anything that has mass, and occupies space is called matter. Okay, anything that has mass and occupy space is called matter. Okay, what is meant by matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Examples for matter. Okay, anything, solids, benches, tables, chairs. Okay, table, chair, bench, okay, desk, etc. are the examples for matter. Anything that has mass is nothing but a weight, okay, and occupies space, if we consider tables or benches or chairs etc., they have mass, okay, they will occupy some space. Either they are living things or non-living things, or they are occur naturally or man-made, okay, that is matter. Okay, next topic. What is meant by material? Okay, any object that is made up of matter, any object that is made up of matter is called material. Okay, what is meant by material? Any object that is made up of matter is called material. Okay, now we are seeing examples for materials. Okay, example for materials. Okay, example: iron, steel, copper, wood, cotton, silk, nylon, polyester. Okay, acrylic, okay, cement, rocks, etc. are the example for the materials. Okay, iron, steel, copper, wood, cotton, silk, nylon, polyester, acrylic, cement, rocks. Okay, these are the examples for the materials. Okay, in these materials there are two types again. They are natural materials and man-made materials. Natural materials, okay, man-made. Okay, see, what are natural materials means? The materials which occur naturally. Okay, first one, cotton, silk, wool, Okay. Iron and steel also a naturally occur elements, materials. Okay. For example, now we have to see the objects which are made and how they are made. Okay. See, let us consider some objects and the materials required. And the materials. Okay. Suppose if we take an object like a chair. What are the things required to prepare a chair or manufacturing of chair? We can manufacture the chair by using wood, steel, plastic and iron. Okay. In the same way, for preparing a saree by using silk, cotton, okay, nylon, etc. we use. For making a window, okay, by you preparing a window, we need wood, iron and paint. Okay, we need this. Okay, for preparing a bench, we need wood and iron. Wood and iron. Okay. Suppose, what are the things we can prepare by using iron? What are the things we can prepare by using iron? By using iron, we can prepare rods. Okay. Iron rods. Okay. Next. Benches, etc. we can prepare by using iron. We can prepare by using iron. In the same way, by using wood. By using wood, what we can prepare? We can prepare bench, chair, table, desk, etc. prepared by using wood. Okay. In the same way, by using steel. What are the main things prepared by using steel? Bowls. Okay. Spoons. Okay. Spoons. Next. Scales. Iron scale or stainless steel scales, etc. prepared. Okay. Thank you.